SummaryPDF AI is one of the newest AI tools hitting the market, and it promises to make summarizing PDF documents faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. In this review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this software so you can decide whether it's the right fit for your needs. First off, let's talk about the key feature that SummaryPDF AI is built around. This software uses advanced AI algorithms to scan and summarize PDF documents in seconds. Whether you're dealing with research papers, long reports, or ebooks, it cuts through the noise, giving you concise summaries without losing critical details. This is a game changer for anyone looking to save time without sacrificing quality. What sets SummaryPDF AI apart from other tools is its ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The interface is super user-friendly, and all you have to do is upload your document. In just a few moments, the AI does its magic, delivering a summary that highlights the key points and main takeaways. It's efficient, precise, and ideal for people who need to quickly digest large amounts of information. But is it perfect? Well, not exactly. While SummaryPDF AI does a fantastic job on most documents, it may struggle with heavily formatted PDFs, like those with a lot of images or charts. So if you're dealing with a document that's loaded with visuals or complex layouts, you might notice some limitations in how well the AI summarizes the content. That said, for standard text-heavy documents, it works incredibly well. Another feature worth mentioning is the software's ability to customize summaries. You can adjust the length of the summary based on your preference, whether you want a brief overview or a more detailed one. This makes it flexible for a variety of use cases, whether you're a student summarizing textbooks or a professional skimming through reports. This level of customization really puts SummaryPDF AI ahead of many of its competitors. Now let's talk pricing. You might be wondering if this tool is going to break the bank. Well, the good news is you can try SummaryPDF AI completely for free. That's right, there's a free trial available that lets you explore all the features before committing to anything. For users who need to use it more frequently, the subscription options are reasonably priced, especially given the time it saves. If you're someone who regularly deals with large documents, you'll find SummaryPDF AI to be a serious time saver. The ability to quickly get to the most important points of any PDF without having to manually sift through pages of text is invaluable. It's perfect for busy professionals, students, or anyone who needs to consume content at a faster pace. Before I wrap up, let me give you a quick pro tip. When using SummaryPDF AI, make sure to upload clean, well-organized PDFs. The clearer the text and layout, the better your results will be. This is just a small thing to keep in mind to get the most out of your AI-powered summaries. To sum it up, SummaryPDF AI is an excellent tool for anyone who needs to quickly understand long PDFs. It's fast, easy to use, and offers great customization. However, it's not perfect for every document type, especially those with lots of formatting. Overall, though, it's a solid tool worth trying, especially if you want to save time. You can try SummaryPDF AI for free by clicking the first link below in the description. And if you're looking for more top-notch AI tools, I've listed my recommended options down there as well. After trying thousands of AI softwares, these are the ones I trust the most.